Okay, hey, this is Ralph, and in this video, I want to clarify how to go ahead and sign up for all three of our recurring packages in the Home Business Academy. There's been some people reaching out with some confusion, and so what I want to do is explain how you can get in at the funnel builder level, the premium level, and the let's goal level all at the same time. The good news is that if you want to get the premium level and the funnel builder level, you get both for only $25. You get the funnel builder level for $25, plus you get 2 weeks free of the premium traffic and conversions level. Now, in order to do that, just go ahead and go to my sign up page and then give me your information. That'll take you to the page we're looking at right now, right here. All you have to do, we got a informational video, right there. But all you have to do to get to the sign up page is click Yes, I Want In, and that'll take you to the sign up page. And then you get your options here. Fill out your contact information, all that stuff. There's my pretty picture over there. And then when you get down to payment, make sure you fill that in. And then when you get down to here, unlock your earning potential with HBA Premium. Try it free for 2 weeks. If you want to get that free 2-week trial, go ahead and click this box. And that will get you in at the $25 level and 2 weeks free of the $125 level. So it's a heck of a deal. You get all the training and you can be earning commissions without having to pay for it for 2 weeks. It's pretty neat. And then if you want the Let's Goal app, go right down here to the bottom, click this box here. That'll tack on an extra $10 to your order, and that gives you the Let's Goal app. So you're in at the $10 level, you'll be in at the $25 level, and you'll be in at the $125 level for 2 weeks free. So you'll be able to earn commissions on all three levels. And then, if you click with the Let's Goal app, this total here will be $35. If you don't want the Let's Goal app, you don't have to take it. That brings it down to just $25. Click that, and you are in, my friends. So if you have any other questions, be sure to reach out to me, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions, shoot another video, whatever it takes. So, hey, this is Ralph signing out. Thank you for dropping by. We will catch you in future updates. Have a great one. As always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.